Hydration is key. Go take a shit.
Dan's like, I'm gonna be on the mats longer than all of you people. Alright, let's do some turtle. So let's do a little bit of offense. So Frank's here. I think like you guys kind of got the gist when we were doing situations on like, you want to have some sort of grip on them. And just like analyzing the turtle position, like Frank right now is pretty stable. But then with his stability, like he's kind of like, he needs to leave his like leg and his elbows kind of far out. So you can think of like, they're more stable, but then now there's like room to like put my knees and penetrate my knees and hands to get ribs inside. Whereas like he's a lot tighter like this. It's like maybe a little harder to do that, but now he's less stable, so I can like just pull him over. So like understand that like you can sort of feel that out with the neutral position. So like if he's super tight but he doesn't have very good base, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time trying to get my knee in, it's not working. I'm just gonna grab his hip and pull him over and then start from here. So that's something you guys can take a look at when you're in this neutral position. The most basic form of screwing up someone's turtle is basically I'm taking this knee and I'm basically dropping it between his elbow and his knee. Even if he keeps it really tight, like I just have gravity working with me, and then I have this seatbelt here that I can get. I'm using this foot right here to kick linearly forward this way. So I'm driving this way, and the idea is to just collapse this shoulder right here. And then from here, my bottom hook can come in, and now we're looking to take it back. That's very, very basic. I think another one that I like to do is the spiral ride. So from here, I have this far grip right here, and I'm going to insert it into his thigh and turn my palm upward like this. And the whole idea is to bring his foot off the mat. So therefore, like, it's hard for him to generate force. And I'm sort of straighten my elbow and creating this kind of tension. So it's hard for him to just like sit up. So if I keep this right here, you can ask your partner like, can you sit up? So I use this spiral ride in conjunction with, I go under the arm here and I grab the neck all the way on the other side. So this is a pretty good control. I can just keep spinning and bringing it down. And then from here I can slide my knee up. Start looking at the controls. I think also during the situation I was saying, like, I want to be putting like sufficient pressure on top of it so that if I'm just like lazily back here, I'm just going to stand up the wrong way. So like, I definitely want to keep my weight right on top. I can even like grab his foot sometimes and just like also just bring it upwards. Like shifting his weight towards his head. So there's more weight on his hand and it's harder for him to stand up. And then I can even add a little bit of directionality to pull over. Get my turtle. So let's start with that. Just kind of like letting your partner kind of like be in a stable position, also being in a very tight position, and just feeling the difference on like stability wise, whether you can push them over or not. We do this very simple knee insertion to seatbelt, backtake, and then try to spiral right. If you guys want, like, also take like a minute or so and just like have the bottom person just try to stand up, and then the top person try and like, you know, bring the weight forward, put their chest into the back of the shoulder, make sure that you get This is like
Cat services?
I don't see why that's the way it is. Because,